Yo, what up boys? I'm gonna be showing you in this video how you can create photorealistic renders like these. It's not gonna be a full tutorial, I'm just gonna be showing you the lighting and rendering settings. As you see, this render looks fucking sick. So without talking further, let's get started. So I'm gonna be first starting off by moving my beautiful face here and starting off with the render settings. So the render settings, I keep it pretty simple. If you have a GPU, use it. Noise threshold 0.35, max samples 128. And for the resolution, it's 1920 times 2 and 1080 times 2. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Now, let's actually break down this scene. Now, we have Blender lagging because my face is helping out so many people that it's causing so much delay and lag, so I'm just going to remove it. As you see, now it's much smoother. So, the first thing that I want to start off with is the lighting. So one really important lighting trick that you need to know is when using cycles, if you go here to nodes and you create a node, you go here to the shading, you see that I've added a black body node and I made the temperature 6000. What does this do? I have no fucking... It just makes the lighting look better from my experience. If you know what this does, feel free to share it in the comments. Now for the lighting, it's going to be an area light, power is 5. You could make this to be an eclipse. In my opinion, it looks better. Let's do it here also. Eclipse, whatever the fuck. And I have an area light going here so it can showcase the details of the product itself. And that's in the back, sorry, not the front. And here you have the camera. Focal length is 50. F-stop is 7.4. And the focus is an empty, and that empty is added here inside of the bottle. Because in my humble experience, if you do it or you just make the focus to be on the object itself or the model itself, it doesn't get you great results. Now, the most important trick here is finding an HDRI that looks really, really good. And I'll show you what I mean here. So I have a couple of ones installed. So if you see, if I choose this one, this HDRI, this is how it looks. It looks pretty good. I could also choose this evening sky one. And if you take a look at it, in my opinion, it doesn't look like that great. So picking a great HDRI is very important. Let me also show you mountain forest. So this is one I was using. And here you have this one, for example. You see, doesn't look good at all. So I'm just going to change it back to the old forest, whatever it was called. And that's it. So for the HDRI, you could use Blender Kit, just search a forest. You see this is the one that I'm using. This one didn't look that great. And that's it. I have a couple of trees added here. You could also get them from Blender Kit. And that's it. Pretty simple. Now, if you want to download this scene with all of the proper settings and lighting and everything, with also 4 scenes, check out the link in the description as I have a special gift for you. Besides this, see you in the next video.